Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to help you beat the heat this summer. We found this portable evaporative air cooler, a versatile 3-in-1 tower fan, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this product is all about. The portable evaporative air cooler is designed to provide a refreshing breeze in any space, whether it's your bedroom, office, or living area. Standing at a sleek 38.3 inches tall and occupying a compact footprint of just 11.4 inches by 11.4 inches, this tower fan is both stylish and functional. One of the standout features of this unit is its 3 cooling modes. You can choose between a water-cooled mist for those sweltering days, an ice-enhanced chill when you need a little extra coolness, or simply a dry fan-only airflow for when the temperature is just right. With 3 speed settings, this tower fan delivers a powerful airflow that can reach up to 20 feet, ensuring that your entire room feels refreshed quickly. The air cooler comes equipped with a generous 3-liter water tank, which means you won't be making frequent trips to refill it. Along with 2 included ice packs, you can enhance the cooling performance even further. The unit's strong air circulation system generates winds of up to 22 feet per second, whisking away heat and providing ongoing relief from the heat throughout the day. A feature that many users appreciate is the 12-hour timer with auto shut-off. This means you can set the cooler to run while you sleep or at work without worrying about energy consumption. You can easily adjust the settings from the included remote control or directly from the control panel, allowing for a hassle-free experience. This is particularly useful for those who want to cool their space without having to get up from their bed or desk. Who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who lives in warmer climates or simply struggles with the heat during the summer months, this portable air cooler might become your new best friend. It's also ideal for small to medium-sized rooms, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or even offices. Whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping, this cooler provides the comfort you need. Practical use cases are plentiful. Imagine coming home after a long day at work, feeling the heat as you walk in. You turn on this air cooler, set it to the water-cooled mist mode, and immediately feel the refreshing relief wash over you. Or think about those hot summer nights when you find it difficult to get a good night's sleep. Setting the cooler to a gentle breeze with the timer function means you can drift off without a worry, knowing it will turn off after a few hours. Maintenance is also a breeze with this product. The design allows for tool-free disassembly, meaning you can easily detach the rear cover, cooling pad, and water tank for cleaning. All parts are rinse-safe, making it simple to keep your air cooler in top condition. In summary, the portable evaporative air cooler is an excellent solution for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable during the hotter months. Its various cooling modes, generous water tank, and user-friendly features